Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door handle on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged, broken, or it won't tighten all the way. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So this right here is our handle. In order to take our handle off, we're going to have to open up the door, and there are two screws holding the handle on. So we're going to use our Phillips head screwdriver and remove those screws. And as we remove the second screw, just want to make sure that you hold the handle up in place so it doesn't fall off and hit the ground. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door handle. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now to put our handle on, all we have to do is we've got this one screw started already, and we're just lining it up with the hole. And I'm going to hand tighten it, just a couple turns to get it started in there. And once I've done that, I can screw it in. There we go. And on this side, put our screw in, and you might have to just adjust it a little bit just to make sure it gets through that bottom hole. Once you've got it down there, line up the hole for the handle, give it a couple turns there, and then tighten it up the rest of the way with your screwdriver. And once you've done that, you can close up your oven door, and your repair is complete. Why did the picture go to jail? Because it was framed! It was framed, I tell ya! Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.